Hey everyone! Welcome back to FaucetWizard. Today, we're going to show you how to replace your bathroom faucet. It's a simple DIY project that can give your bathroom a fresh new look. Let's get started. First, you'll need a few tools: an adjustable wrench, a basin wrench, plumber's tape, a bucket, and of course, your new faucet. Before you begin, make sure to turn off the water supply. You'll find the valves under the sink. Turn them clockwise to shut off the water. Next, use your wrench to disconnect the water supply lines from the old faucet. Place a bucket underneath to catch any water that might spill out. Move the mounting nuts holding the faucet in place, then lift the old faucet out. Clean the area around the faucet holes to remove any old putty or debris. This will ensure a good seal for your new faucet. Reconnect the water supply lines to the new faucet. Use plumber's tape on the threads to prevent leaks. Now, place the new faucet into the holes. Secure it from underneath with the mounting nuts. Turn the water supply back on and test your new faucet. Check for any leaks and make sure everything is working properly.